Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a curious boy named Noor. Noor had a passion for origami, the art of paper folding. One day, as he was rummaging through his school bag, he found a peculiar folded paper tucked away in a corner. With excitement in his eyes, he pulled it out and began to unfold it. To Noor's astonishment, the paper began to change colors and shapes with every fold he made. It wasn't just any paper. It was a magical paper that transformed into whatever shape he desired. Noor was amazed and wanted to learn more about origami, so he decided to visit Professor Sami, the town's wisest origami mentor. Professor Sami was known for his mastery in origami. When Noor arrived at Professor Sami's workshop, the walls were adorned with intricate origami designs, cranes, flowers, and even tiny paper animals. Noor was thrilled and eagerly showed Professor Sami the magical paper. "Ah, a magical piece indeed," said Professor Sami with a twinkle in his eye. "This paper can only be transformed with the purest intent to create beauty. Let me teach you the real magic of origami, creativity and control." Noor began his journey of learning various folding techniques under Professor Sami's guidance. He learned how to fold paper into soaring planes, delicate flowers, and sturdy animals. Noor discovered that origami wasn't just about crafting shapes. It was also a way to unleash creativity and express oneself. With each fold, Noor learned the importance of patience and control. He realized that the art of origami required a still mind and steady hands. Through these lessons, Noor and Professor Sami became good friends, sharing stories of their creations and the meanings behind them. Towards the end of his lessons, Noor crafted a beautiful piece of origami, a heart-shaped box. He decided to gift it to his mother as a token of his love and gratitude. Noor had learned through origami that expressing emotions and affection can be as intricate and beautiful as the folds of paper. As Noor held the heart-shaped box, he felt proud of what he had accomplished and understood the deeper meaning of his craft. In the spirit of Noor's adventure, here are some engaging activities for children. Learn various paper folding techniques and create different shapes. Craft origami pieces as thoughtful gifts for loved ones. Invent stories around the origami creations, exploring their magical journeys. So, what is origami? How can we use origami in our daily lives? And what shapes can we create with origami? Let the adventure and creativity unfold with every magical paper fold.